At Soil Shepherds, we work hard outside in all kinds of weather to produce beautiful landscapes. And in the dog days of summer, nothing is as satisfying as looking out at our own garden and sipping a cocktail made from our own native plants. The exotic flavors you can get from your own backyard will blow your mind. Today, we're making mojitos with one of our favorites, Monarda, also known as bee balm. Everything above ground of a Monarda plant is edible. For this video, we're using the Monarda didyma, a member of the mint family, because its red flowers look like fireworks and its leaves add a slight herbaceous bitterness to balance out this sweet summer drink. Different Monarda varieties impart slightly different flavors, so try them all out. For each drink, you'll need about 12 leaves and the petals from one flower. We recommend using smaller leaves from new growth for a milder flavor. Use a muddler to gently bruise the leaves. This will help release the fragrant oils. No need to pulverize them, just a gentle squish. Then fill your glass with ice. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice and 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can make simple syrup in advance by melting 1 part sugar and 1 part water, or just use superfine granulated sugar which dissolves quickly. Now add 1 ounce of light rum, or skip this step if you're making mocktails. Top it all off with a splash of club soda and give it a quick stir with a swizzle stick. Garnish with the bright red Monarda flowers and a wedge of lime. Don't forget to click subscribe to see more videos on native cocktails and head back outside with your drink to relax in nature.